Hi guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. Welcome into the channel if you're new. So this is the final window casing. Not really level at the top, but that can be finished out as soon as the silk goes on. Anyway, this is just a quick video to show you guys how I remove the casings. Just like that. Just like that. This is not straight, but I guess it's workable. It's just like that, quick and easy. And this one, and there we have it. Not bad for a rookie, or a noob, I should say. This one I have to smooth this out. And I have to smooth this out, and whatever edges are left off at edges, I can just seal it with the tiles because I want to tile the wall. That's why I have not rendered. This why I leave the walls like this, and the walls aren't straight. So that's one, and this is the bathroom window. So now I can measure the windows and order them. See, these are cracked, but they're not cracked all the way through. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get cracking on another area of the house, and that is smoothing off and leveling off the bathroom flooring because it's not. So I'm just gonna use sand and cement at this point to get it smooth and make it much easier to work with. It's night now. I'm hoping I can get this done. See, I did this one, but it cracked up in the heat. But anyway, it's gonna tile, so it should be fine. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I have the sniffles because I have a cold. Hopefully my cement is not wet. I see wet spots over there on the wall. Right there. I see wet spots. So I'm really hoping that, I don't know if it rained today, but I'm really hoping that it's not hard. Otherwise I can't do anything. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.